Hey Grayson, what do you see? Fish?
I'm army.
Yeah. Is that a map? Looks like there's restrooms here. That's always exciting. The fish hatchery. We're gonna go along this trail right here. That is a badge. California Fish and Wildlife. This, Grayson, look. Can you name this animal print? Let's see. Do you know what makes that print? A mountain lion. Look at these ones, Gray. This one's right here.
What's who made that?
Okay. A mule deer. These are fun. Huh. See, it tells us all the different... Look at the ground. Do you see? There's footprints on the ground.
Where?
Look down. Oh, yeah.
Mommy.
They must have been walking in the cement.
Hey, Taff. Look down here.
Look down here, Taffy. Taffy.
What's this print for?
I don't know.
Let's
Look it over here, Gray. It tells you. This print is made by a cottontail bunny, just like Peter.
Here's a cottontail bunny.
Peter is a cottontail bunny. Super fun. And look at this amphitheater. That would make a great, this must be the outdoor classroom, right?
Back. Hey, Wally, Taffy.
Yeah.
I'm the leader. Hey, Taff, Wally.
Fish hatchery. Look at this.
Where did the river go?
Well, we're not at the river yet, honey. This is Stormy Creek.
Hey, stop, Taff. Hey, come on.
Okay, I'm looking. Come on, guys. Oh, wow, what is that?
Hey.
These are eggs. I think they're just pretend eggs. Because I don't think fish eggs get that big. What do you think? Nah. Oh, it looks like they have a little digging area here if you want to dig.
Ew.
Okay.
Look, there's a
This
fish.
is just beautiful. Yeah. Are those trout?
Trout. Is this a trout?
Yeah, that is a trout.
But why do they have two trouts?
They like to go together, maybe. Do you know what kind of trout those are?
What?
Rainbow trout.
I can.
You can?
I can dig under and underneath.
He likes to get in their faces.
Oh. So does he. They're just vocal. They really are. They'll protect him with those. What's over here? Look at that, Grayson. It's a beaver dam. Do you see that?
Where?
Right there. In front of us. Go check it out.
I want to be in it.
No, we can't go in it. Why? What are those, Grayson?
What?
Look what's coming up out of the beaver dam.
I don't know.
What are these called?
Look over there.
What are these called? Those cattails.
Yeah.
Yeah?
But Mom,
Yeah, bud?
he's not. Look at another cat.
Oh, yeah.
I want to eat these.
We can't eat these cattails.
Why?
Why?
No.
Let's go eat a snack.
Yeah. Look. Snack table.
Snack table.
Mama, it's climbing.
He is climbing. Well, that's something you can climb on. Here.
There's a new playground.
Come here over here. Look at this.
There's a new playground.
Yeah?
Look, a slide.
Yeah. There is slides.
A bear.
And a bear. Don't climb on the bear, okay? Always respect wildlife from a distance, it says.
It's just fake.
But it asks you not to climb on it, so we obey the rules, okay?
Look, slide.
Slide. That's super awesome. Come check this out over here, Gray.
Mine. You'll never believe it.
What am I'm never gonna believe it. What?
More tracks and then there was
Oh, what do you think those tracks
a
going to?
hammock.
That's not a hammock, it's a canoe. That's awesome.
And Alice is driving and you
Okay,
the back.
let's get in this thing.
Look,
Okay.
look, boats. Boats.
Yeah. Oh, I see them. Yeah, somebody left their waders, huh? They must have been fishing. You think? Oh, somebody left their toolbox too.
Let's get us in there.
Okay. Nothing's in there?
Yeah?
Huh.
Look,
Yeah.
it's hot though.
It's hot from being in the sun, maybe?
Maybe a fire.
Oh, a fire?
Maybe.
Maybe. Ducks go to. Huck Finn?
I'm from Nature Cat.
Maybe. Maybe Nature Cat.
Maybe it's from Nathan. Nature Cat's friend.
Maybe. I love how there's all these signs telling us what plants are growing here. Because that's what we always look for when we're on adventure school, huh?
We're on adventure. We're on adventure. We're on adventure.
Looks like there is a little meeting place right here, still in the kids area. This will be perfect for our adventure friends. A lot of things not to climb on though. That was kind of disappointing. Grayson hasn't been able to leave the boat yet, but we have lost our shoes. Carol, hold tough. Smell it first. What's it smell like?
Strawberry.
It smells like strawberries.
Hmm?
What's it taste like?
Mint.
It's kind of potent like sage. And Grayson decided he needed to be barefoot and to take a ride. We really liked the kids area. A lot of interactive stuff. There was a lot of no climbing signs, which was hard for Gray. But there's a canoe to play in, to do some imaginative play, and some slides. A lot of footprints to find. We're gonna over. Not our normal adventure. There's park benches and water fountains and bathrooms. Bathrooms are a big plus for me, but that usually means there's more people around. We've encountered a couple of people today, but not too overcrowded, but it is the middle of the week. What was nice is there was signs posted that said they had cameras on it, so I'm hoping that means there's not going to be a bunch of graffiti, which tends to happen. These look like blackberry vines. That's kind of exciting.
On the berries.
You can see back there the wetlands. So Looks like there's a couple of trails you can take off path to get back into the wetlands. I think the kids would like that. Uh-oh. Well, if you can't see me, what do you do? Yeah. Got your whistle? It's boggy. Looks,
hey,
yeah.
It's a shortcut.
Really?
But there must be water.
There must be water here, yeah.
I got wet.
Yeah, that's why it's called wetlands. Look it over here. Nice little meeting spot right at the end. And over here is a bridge. Let's go see. Well, I think this is a good spot to stop and have some lunch. Look at Gray. We're here. We're at the river. Who doesn't love bridges?
Let's go through it. That looks stable.
Yeah, that looks stable. The water's going really fast though. I don't know if I want you to go down there. But there's a trail right down there. Or we can go down this way. Okay, I'm in love with this spot, guys. It's beautiful. Lots of little trails. Uh-oh. What? What, Gray?
Mommy.
Yeah.
What?
You want to check it out? What's it feel like? Remember you have your pack on too. Don't get your pack wet.
It's not wet. Test how deep it is.
Okay. Okay.
It's not so deep.
It's not so deep. How fast is the water going?
Not so fast.
Not so fast? It looks pretty fast. Should we test it with making a boat?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is as far as we got. Sometimes we make it the whole trail and sometimes we don't. That's okay. We found this great little spot right by the river, right by the bridge over the river. And Squish decided this is where he wants to camp out for the day. So we're eating some apples and we're going to be doing some water play. So I hope you guys enjoyed our nature hike. I know this is definitely a spot we're going to be coming back to.